Hello everyone, and today in this video we will talk about the Google Chat application, and I would like to show you features that you can use to reply your friend's message on the Google Chat. So the name of this feature is Quote and Replay. So you can just replay a specific chat that your friend sends to you. So you just need to open your app library and type chat, go click open the Google Chat, and now you just need to find your friend's room chat, and you just need to get the message from her that you want to reply specifically. So here I already have this. So my friends ask me to join her to catch some coffee, so I would like to reply this specific message here. How to do that? You just need to click and hold this bubble. Click and hold, and then will give you into the specific options, and then you just need to go click this quote and reply, and now you will have an access into reply this specific message from your friends, and you just need to type your response and click send, and then it will be sent this way. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into the another tutorial.